Did you say Leica SL3-S? You're in the right place. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from One and Only European chapter, and please today bear with me because I still don't have a voice. I only get a cold twice, with two occasions. The first one is every time I land in Hawaii and I know that that very day or the day after I will get a cold. Second occasion is when I have a haircut and then it's fall and the very first day with cold temperature comes and I don't have a wool hat yet and I will get a cold. So sorry for my voice for today, but it's impressive thinking about they already discontinued the Leica SL2 and SL2-S. They still have some stock, and so it's highly discounted at the moment because we are waiting for Leica to announce this SL3-S. Nothing special, because my question is always, will Leica have a breakthrough this time, or will they just catch up to be on par with competitors? And so most of the times they don't have a breakthrough. A breakthrough, in my humble opinion, it's on a matrix when everything is new to the company but also new to the market. So for Leica, most of the times when we have a good chance, it's new to the company, such as the Leica Q series that was so successful, and we just discovered that even the glass for the Q343 was patented by Panasonic, and so it was not real an innovation even for Leica. So they just take the best and the good here and there, and especially from the M-mount alliance, and this might be the case as well, because the Leica SL3s, unless I'm missing something very important, it will be basically a Panasonic S5 Mark II X, which I had the chance to own and use, and I loved oh so much. And with the M-mount alliance, the usual M-mount Leica glasses, Panasonic glasses, and third-party glasses. So we'll be waiting for the specs to leak as well. At the moment, they're talking about a 24 megapixel full frame sensor. Of course, it will have the phase detect autofocus that comes from Panasonic, and finger crossed, maybe also the great stable, because that Lumix had the best stable in the business, and so I enjoyed it oh so much, especially with the latest software release, because really if you have the stable in the glass plus the IBIS in the camera, then you don't really need a gimbal for walking, for vlogging, for many 90% of the users. Of course, if you are doing professional recording, you will have to have all your balancing stuff to wear the gear and use gimbals, so on and so forth, but 90% of the times you are out there recording, you might go without. It's similar, just to give you an idea how good that is, to the DJI stable. And so DJI is also part of the M-mount alliance. I'm not expecting anything coming from there, no technology, no stable whatsoever, but Panasonic and Leica have been working very well together for these latest releases. And so stay tuned, because I will keep you posted as soon as I have more leaks, the first images of the camera, just to confirm or not whether it will be a Panasonic S5 Mark II X rebranded with the Leica brand, or it will be a brand new product. We still don't know. It's a bit early. They're talking about the initial months of 2025, so I'm not expecting anything for the Thanksgiving, for the Black Friday, for Christmas. I'm not expecting this Leica SL3s to come that soon, but who knows? So stay tuned, guys, and with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.